abandoned Rolls-Royce Silver Spur. A huge collection of abandoned cars was put up for the UK online auction BidSpotter, a total of 135 cars. This is one of the largest barn finds in the history of the automotive industry. The collection includes European and American cars of various models, as well as several kit cars. Cars were stored in numerous barns on the one area for several years. The land was sold for reconstruction and no one needed the cars. One of the most curious examples is the Rolls-Royce Silver Spur with a two-tone body. This is the long wheelbase version of the Silver Spirit sedan. It was equipped with the legendary 6.75-litre V8, the capacity of which was officially stated by the company as sufficient. The condition of this particular example leaves much to be desired. There are traces of rust on its body, the front bumper skirt is broken, and the wheels are all muddy and flat. At the same time, the sedan is in full completeness. All chrome decorative details and nameplates are in place. The only loss is the Spirit of Ecstasy feature on the radiator. The interior is in much better condition, although the cracked leather on the seat shows the vehicle's age, and in perfect storage condition. The car has a right-hand drive and a luxury wood front dashboard. On the odometer of the car, the number shows 32,432 miles, or a little more than 52,000 kilometers. An incredibly small mileage for such a car. The original bunch of keys has also survived, but there are no registration documents for any of the vehicles found.